Risley Moss Local Nature Reserve is an SSSI, Site of Special Scientific Interest, and an SAC, Special Area Conservation, because of the scarcity and high value of its lowland raised bog habitats. Basically, original pattern ditches created by peat coating has been altered by fire ditches dug in the 1970s and recontouring work in the 1990s. When shallow, wider pools are created so that bog forming sphagnum would form. You can just bloody read the rest. Oh, bloody hell. Have a look at that. It's so natural, man. All of this stuff's in Warrington. Bloody lovely place. As you can see here, this is the nature reserve map. Some key mossland plants. Sphagnum moss, cotton grass, crossleaf heath, roundleaf sundew, and royal fern. Oh, bloody hell. See that? These dragonflies. And the moss is home to 6 variety native reptiles, as you can see below here. Here's some of them. Adder, grass snake, common lizard, slow worm. I don't think that's a worm, I think that's a snake, but bloody hell. Oh, bloody hell. Like and subscribe, man, for more of this content. Thanks.